Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk.
Hi, listeners. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today, we have a very special episode.
Special?
Yes, we are going to a football match.
Again?
Yes, again. I can't believe you are coming again.
I surprised myself too.
Listeners, this is a sequel.
A sequel?
Yes, like a movie sequel. Part 2.
Oh, I understand.
Do you remember our first football episode?
Of course I remember.
Last time, I had to beg you to come.
You did beg. A lot.
I promised you hot dogs.
Yes, and the atmosphere was fun too. The singing, the colors, the energy.
Really? You liked it?
Yes, even if I didn't understand the rules.
You still don't understand the rules?
Not really, but I understand the excitement now.
See? Football is amazing.
And the stadium food is good too.
Of course you mentioned the food. Okay, listeners, we are outside the stadium right now.
It's very crowded.
Match day is always crowded. Everyone is excited.
I can hear people singing already.
That's the fans. They are warming up.
Look at all the red everywhere. Red flags, red scarves, red faces.
That's our team color, red.
You're wearing your jersey again.
Of course, my lucky red jersey. I wear it to every match.
Does it really make the team win?
I believe so. Anyway, it's warm today. Take off your coat.
Oh, okay. I'll take it off now.
Good. Let's get comfortable before we go inside.
There. Coat is off.
Good. Now we can... Olivia,
What?
what are you wearing?
What do you mean?
Your shirt. Your jersey.
Oh, do you like it? I bought it yesterday.
Do I like it?
I wanted to be a proper fan with a real jersey.
But it's blue.
Yes, beautiful blue. And look, it matches my eyes perfectly.
Olivia, no. No, no, no.
What's wrong? I thought you'd be happy.
Happy? You're wearing the enemy.
Enemy? It's just a shirt, David.
Just a shirt? Just a shirt?
Why are you shouting?
Because you're wearing blue, the rival team.
So, blue is a nice color.
It's not about nice, it's about loyalty.
Loyalty to a color?
To a team. The blue team is our enemy.
That seems dramatic.
It's not dramatic, it's football. Why did you buy a blue jersey?
Because the red one didn't suit me.
Didn't suit you?
The red was too bright. This blue is much more elegant.
Elegant? Olivia, this is not a fashion show.
I know, but I can still look good.
You look like a spy, a blue spy.
A spy? David, you're being silly.
I'm not being silly. Look around. What color do you see?
Red? Lots of red.
Exactly. Red everywhere. And you're wearing blue.
Is that a problem?
A problem? It's a disaster. Oh no. Fans are coming. Big groups of red fans.
So?
So? They will see your blue jersey.
And?
And they will be angry.
Angry? About a shirt color?
Yes. Look over there. See those people behind the fence?
Yes, they're all wearing blue.
Exactly. Those are the blue fans. They sit in the away section.
Away section?
Yes, they are caged in, far away from us.
Caged?
To keep them separate. If you want to wear blue, you go there.
But we have tickets for the red section.
I know, that's the problem. You're a blue fan in red territory.
To what will happen?
People will shout. They will stare. They will think you're a traitor.
A traitor?
Yes, someone who supports the enemy.
David, I don't want to be a traitor. I just wanted to look nice.
Okay, don't panic. I have an idea. My jacket. You can wear my jacket.
My jacket?
Yes, put it on, now, quickly.
Your jacket?
Yes, arms in, quick.
It's too big. The sleeves are down to my knees.
Roll them up and zip it all the way to your chin.
I can't breathe.
You can breathe fine. Just keep it zipped.
I look ridiculous.
You look safe. That's what matters.
This is so uncomfortable.
Good. Uncomfortable is better than dangerous. There. Perfect. No blue showing.
Are you sure?
Let me see. Turn around. Inspecting. Yes, all covered.
Good. Can we go in now?
Yes. Crisis avoided. Disaster prevented.
You were very dramatic, David.
I was protecting you.
From shirt colors.
From enemy fans.
Football is very serious.
Yes, very serious. Now, remember the rules.
Rules?
Keep the jacket zipped. Don't take it off, not even if you're hot.
I know.
And one more thing.
What?
If the blue team scores, don't smile.
Don't smile.
No, absolutely no smile. Look sad. Look angry.
This is crazy.
This is football. Okay, we're going in.
Wow, it's so loud inside.
That's the passion. That's the energy.
Everyone is singing.
Listen, that's our team song.
What are they saying?
Red is best, red is strong, red will win all day long.
Really? That's the song?
It sounds better when 50,000 people sing it.
I'm sure it does.
Come on, our seats are this way. Okay, we made it. We're in our seats.
And nobody shouted at me.
Because the jacket worked. Good hiding.
These seats are good. I can see everything.
I told you, great view.
Look at the players warming up. Their uniforms are so shiny.
Those are the home kids, official team jerseys.
The blue team players look good too.
Olivia.
I mean, they look terrible, ugly blue.
That's better.
Oh, everyone is standing up.
The teams are coming out. Stand up. This is exciting.
Okay, I'm standing.
Now clap. Clap for the red team.
Like this?
Perfect. You're learning.
David, I learned some new words today.
Really? What words?
I learned that a jersey is a team shirt, like my blue one.
Don't remind me about your blue jersey.
I learned that the blue team is your rival.
Exactly. Our biggest enemy.
And I learned that fans can be very serious.
We're not just fans, we're die-hard fans. Very loyal.
And very loud.
Yes, very loud.
Oh, and I learned a new phrase. Don't make a mistake with your jersey.
Yes, very important lesson.
Especially if you don't want to wear a hot jacket all day.
Exactly. So remember, listeners, know your team, know your rival, wear the right colors.
Or bring a big jacket.
Yes, always have a backup plan. Oh, the referee is ready. The match is starting.
Finally.
Are you excited?
Actually, yes, I am.
Really?
Yes, the atmosphere is amazing. Everyone is so happy.
See, I knew you would love it.
But David, I have one question.
What question?
What are the rules of football?
Olivia, you still don't know?
No, but I know the important things.
Like what?
Like, don't wear blue to a red match.
That's the most important rule.
And always bring a jacket.
Perfect. You're learning. Okay, listeners, that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed this sequel episode
The story of the wrong jersey.
and the Big Jacket Rescue.
Remember, colors are important in football.
Very important. Wear the right team colors.
And if you make a mistake,
Find a big jacket.
exactly.
So, listeners, tell us in the comments
Have you ever worn the wrong thing to an event?
or made a fashion mistake at the wrong time.
We want to hear your stories.
And don't forget to subscribe.
New episodes every week.
Thank you for listening.
Now enjoy the match with us.
And maybe later find the food stands.
Yes, Olivia. Later.
Goodbye.